birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay guys, so now that everyone has arrived, let's go ahead and start. A bit noisy here, sorry about that, but we can get started if everyone's ready. One moment, let me just grab something here. So let me start off by letting you know about the noise reduction technology of the camera. What this technology does, it can filter out background noise and make a separation and a distinction between background noise and human voice.
Private noise seems like very convenient, especially if you have kids. You always worry about meetings.
Yeah, you can keep it on.
Yeah, private mode can certainly help for outdoors meeting as well.
Yeah, I agree. It's nice.
Yeah, I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, it seems like the private mode is very convenient for people who work from home. Especially when I have a meeting, I always worry my children will interrupt the meeting, right?
You play 1, 2, 3. Even stay. Say happy birthday.
Alright, say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Tell them
Play
you're
a
gonna play a
song?
song. Tell them you're gonna play a song.